I'm just showing you guys what Kigali Heights looks like.
Focus, man.
So how you doing today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm great. So I'm asking people in Rwanda a few questions about how they see the world. So have you ever met a black person from America before?
No, I've never met a black person from America. I've met some couple Americans before.
Okay.
But most of them were white or Rwandan that live in America.
Okay, got you. Okay. So I'm Black American, so it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm happy.
Okay. Do you have any opinions from watching television or maybe social media about Black Americans? Do you see them?
Yeah. So, as a black person, when I'm watching a lot of American media, because it represents a big part of the culture around the world.
Yes.
I see some black Americans, and it's easier to connect with them because we share the same skin color and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy. I see a lot of them, and mostly some new faces, like recently with, for example, Black Panther. There are also new actors that I've seen in some media recently.
Okay.
So there's more and more Black American actors that I can see, or even in medias, some designers.
Yes.
So yeah, it's great.
Do you listen to any Black American music?
Mostly rap, but some pop stars also.
Okay, what rappers do you know from the States?
I can tell you my favorite ones. I mostly listen to Kendrick Lamar,
Okay.
Pharrell Williams,
Okay.
maybe Snoop Dogg.
Okay.
Also, Tyler the Creator.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Do you know J. Cole?
Yeah, I know J. Cole.
Okay. A lot of people say I look like J. Cole. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit.
But I mean, you're tall. You
Yeah.
have the dreads and stuff.
Skinny like him. It's kind of similar. Yeah.
Also the facial features and stuff. So you kind of
Okay.
look like him.
Okay. What do you think about Black American women from what you've seen on TV or like media?
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel like the culture is different than Rwandan culture?
But I think every culture is different. But between American culture and Rwandan culture, I think there's like a big disparity between those two.
Yeah.
I don't see like a lot of similarities, but between the younger generation, because we are like so influenced by American media, because it's really important around the world, people start, but they take example on what they watch and what they consume like as medias.
Okay.
So there's like some similarities like in fashion, or there's more and more English, and most English speaking Rwandans was because they left the country to go to Uganda and stuff, but
Okay.
they have a more American accent now. So maybe in fashion, how they dress, how they speak sometimes.
Okay.
So yeah.
Interesting. So, would you ever date a Black American girl if she was to come here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. For you, it's the same thing, right?
But I'm Rwandan, but I'm still also, I have a second culture, so
Okay.
I'm more international.
Okay.
So it wouldn't bother me at all.
Excellent. All right. So you're open-minded to it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Cool. Awesome. Well, thank you for your time. Anything else you want to say?
To every viewers, I really like you to visit Rwanda because it's a great country.
Absolutely. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
I'm just showing you guys what Kigali Heights looks like. That's the name of the mall, right? The mall is Kigali Heights?
Yes.
Okay. So We just got the little bit of light before it's dark. I think it's what, 6 o'clock now? Exactly 6, yeah. So it'll be getting dark here in the next 20 minutes. You'll see it change completely. But right now the lighting is great for filming. And you can see this hotel here. I guess this is the signature hotel of Kigali, the Radisson Blue. Can we walk up to the convention center? Or is it closed off? All right, so anyway, we're gonna try and get a good look at the convention center. So this is a brand new building, brand new structure, and it's very emblematic of the new Kigali, right? And at night it lights up really bright and you can see it from anywhere in the city, pretty much. And this is a nice quiet area because cars cannot pass. So if you want to ride your bike, you want to rollerblade, skateboard, all that kind of stuff, this would be the place to do it. You got the space and you don't have the traffic to worry about. This is a nice looking park here. We're gonna have to check out that park in a second. Do you know who that woman is in the statue? Okay. You sure? She represents every Rwandan woman? Okay. Okay. You can hear the birds tweeting away. These birds here are very vocal. I swear. I hear the birds some nights when I stay up late and I don't go to bed until 4. The birds are twerping, tweet, tweet, tweet at 4 in the morning. I swear. There you go. He's agreeing with me. He said, ah. Yeah. He said, yeah. Yeah. So you can hear birds early in the morning. You can hear birds in the afternoon. I don't think the birds here sleep. Do the birds have a sleep schedule? It doesn't seem like they do. And y'all have bats too, right? I could swear I saw a bat several times when I was walking around in the evening. So I'm just gonna give you guys a view of the front of the convention center. And then we're gonna back off because security don't look too happy about us being out here with equipment. But you can see what it looks like. There's a convention center and it's connected to the hotel. And then you got the mall right across the street. So everything's in one convenient location. Everything's accessible. It was planned out very well, I can say that much. The light's already starting to disappear, if you guys can see that. Making me look all tanned, like I just left the beach. So they've got some nice restaurants. I've only been to 2 or 3 of them over here in the Kigali Heights, but they've got some bars as well that turn into lounges in the evening. Food is pretty good as well. You can get your sip on. And I'm going to show you guys this statue here in a second. And it's a woman and she's holding her child by the hand. And I noticed that in this country, people like to hold hands a lot. Guys and guys, best friends, girls and girls, best friends, kids and mothers, everyone. I'm gonna get you guys a good view. We're gonna zoom in. And there she stands, the mother of Kigali.
This thing is a light that's better than y'all. Focus, man.